Hello, my dear student. Welcome to our school, Maadi Qawmiya Language School. Today, we are going to talk about revision on chapter 1. The first question in our revision, write the scientific term. Comparing an unknown quantity with another quantity of the same kind to find out the number of times the first includes the other. It is a measurement process. The second question, physical quantities that cannot be defined in terms of other physical quantity. The fundamental or basic physical quantity like mass, length, time, and etc. The third question in write the scientific term is a physical quantity that can be defined in terms of the fundamental physical quantity. It is a derivable physical quantity like velocity, density, area, volume, and etc. Another question, a tool used to measure very small length at high accuracy. It is micrometer or vernier caliper. The system of units that considers the foot as a basic unit of length, it is a British system. The system of units that considers the gram as a basic unit of mass, it is a French system. The SI unit of measuring the electric current intensity, it is ampere. The SI unit of measuring the solid angle is steradian. Another question in our revision, choose the correct answer. Key elements of measurement process include measuring tool, measuring units, the physical quantity, all of them. The right answer is all of them. A fundamental physical quantity is time, velocity, force, all of them. A fundamental physical quantity is time. A derived physical quantity is length, mass, time, velocity. The correct answer is velocity. The unit of measuring mass in British system is the gram, pound, kilogram, all of them. The correct answer is pound. Pound, the unit of measuring mass in British system. A common feature in French Gaussian system, the British system, and the metric system is that they all measure force in Newton, length in meter, mass in pound, time in second. The correct answer is time in second. Candela is measuring unit of the luminous intensity in the international system, solid angle in Gaussian system, amount of material in the British system. The correct answer is luminous intensity in the international system for measuring candela. The vernier caliper is used to measure mass, velocity, time, or length. The correct answer is a small length or length. The dimensional formula of mass is m L power 0 T power 0. We can note that L power 0 equal 1, T power 0 equal 1. So the dimensional formula of mass is the m L0 T0. The correct answer is A. The dimensional formula of acceleration is L power 2 T power negative 1, L T power negative 2, L T power negative 1, or LT. The measuring unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So the dimensional formula of acceleration is LT power negative 2? The correct answer is B. If the measuring unit of a physical quantity is kilogram meter second power negative 2, its dimensional formula is MLT, ML power negative 1 T power negative 2, ML power negative 1 T power 2, MLT power negative 2. The correct answer is D, MLT power negative 2. If the dimensional formula of a physical quantity is m power 0, L power 0, as we know that anything power 0 equal 1, so the physical quantity or the dimension of this physical quantity only t power negative 1. So the measuring unit of this quantity is kilogram meter per second or second power negative 1. Kilogram meter second, kilogram meter. The correct answer is B, second power negative 1. Power is the ratio of work and time, so the unit of measuring power, joule per second, Newton meter per second, or kilogram meter square second power 3, all of them. The correct answer is all of them, because the unit of work equal joule and unit of time is second, but joule we can express the joule Newton meter per second, so the correct answer is all of them. If x equal y power multiply z and dimensions of x are mlt power 2 and dimensions of y 0.001 can be written as this number mean 1 over 1000 or 10 power negative 3. This is the correct answer. 0.001 can be written as 10 power negative 3. When you divide 10 power 4 by 10 power 6, the result equal 1 kilogram contain gram. Kilo, we can express the kilo by 10 power 3 or 1000. So the correct answer is C. In 1 centimeter there are millimeter, 1 or 10, 100 or 1000. In centimeter, in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeter. 0.1 milligram equal. The most important reason for a measurement error is an environmental condition, wrong producer, defect in the measuring tool, or all of them. The most important reason for measurement error, all of them reason. That is used to measure density of liquid directly. We can find density of liquid by find its mass and its volume. Then we will divide mass over volume, but it is the indirect measurement. But if we want to measure density of liquid directly, we use hydrometer, so the correct answer is C. Measuring the volume of liquid using the graduated cylinder is considered as a measurement. There is one reading only. To measure the volume of liquid using graduated cylinder, there is one reading only. So it is direct measurement. The correct answer is C. An example of the indirect measurement is measuring the area of a rectangle using a ruler, length of a paper sheet using a ruler, density of liquid using a hydrometer, current intensity by the ammeter. The correct answer is area of rectangle using a ruler because there are two readings, length and width. To find area, you will find length of rectangle and its width. So you can multiply length times width to find area of rectangle. So it is an indirect measurement. A student measured the length of wooden bar. It was found to be 50.2 centimeter, while the real value is 50 centimeter. Accordingly, the absolute error we will subtract real value 50 minus 50.2, so the absolute error is 0.2 centimeter. But if you want to find relative error or percentage of relative error, you will divide absolute error 0.2 over 50 centimeter as a real value, 0.2 over 50 times 100, you will find 0.4 percentage, so the relative error is 0.4%. The best way to judge the accuracy of measurement is through the absolute error, the relative error, the product of relative error and the absolute error, or all of them. The best way to judge the accuracy of measurement is through relative error, so the correct answer is B. A student measured the door length and he found it equal 250 centimeter, while the real value was 255 centimeter. Calculate the absolute error and the relative error for this measurement. If you want to find any problem, you will write the given real value is 255 centimeter and the measurement value is equal to 150 centimeter. To find absolute error, delta x equal x naught minus x, it will be positive, always positive value. Delta x equal 255 minus 250 equal 5 centimeter. And you will express this length or this measurement as L equal to 155 as a real value, positive or negative 5 centimeter. If you want to find relative error, you will divide delta x as absolute error over real value, so 5 over 255 equal 0.096. If you want to find the percentage of error, you will multiply relative error times 100 equal 1.96%. Another problem, an engineer measures the length of building which was equal to 55.2 meters. If there was an error of 0.2 meters, what is the probabilities of the real value of the building length? The real value or the measuring value 55.2 meters, the absolute error equals 0.2 meters, so the real value of building length may be 55 meters as subtract or 55.4 as addition. Another problem, find the relative error in estimating the volume of a cube of side length equal 5 centimeter if the relative error in measuring length equal 0.01. Also find the absolute error in this case. Real value of length equal 5 centimeter and relative error in length equal 0.01 centimeter as a given. the real value of volume, equal L power 3. So the real value of volume equal 125 cubic centimeter. The relative error in measuring volume, we will addition or multiply relative error times 3, R1 plus R2 plus R3, 0.1 times 3 equals 0.03. So the absolute error in the volume equal volume as a real value times relative error. So we will find the absolute error equal 125 times 0.03 equals 3.75 cubic centimeter. If we want to express this experiment, the volume equal 125 as a real value, negative or positive 3.75 as absolute error cubic centimeter.